Well, Eden Rock Cap Cana is at the moment the only Reliant Chateau property in the Dominican Republic. We have 64 suites in total, and we are now in our main lobby, which is ocean view lobby. We have front desk, offices, concierge, some stores, and we have 3 restaurants in total. One of them is Mediterranean, which is fine dining. We have Blue, which is the mix between the culinary techniques from Japan and Peru, and also La Palapa, which is Caribbean.
Excellent.
Let's go and take a look.
Okay, let's go. Here at Eden Rock, we're in the spa, big jacuzzi bar, the shower, and a couple of the beds. Like everything else at the resort, it's absolutely beautifully designed. The quality of finish and everything is fantastic. And the products they use outside are superb. That was the main entrance we were in earlier. The gym in front of us here. We've just been down and in the spa. Absolutely lovely. Rooms in front of us, overlooking the pool and down to the beach, and then across the way the golf course, which we drove through on the way here. We're playing this afternoon. We'll report back on that, but it looks to be absolutely fantastic condition. So we know this is the bar, Eden Rock Cap Cana. In the dining room now, open kitchen, and inside and outside dining. Beautiful, stylish resort, and absolutely outstanding. Eden Rock Cap Cana, the main pool area, and coming down to the beach, and the beach bar, golf course over across the way. A beautiful looking beach. A few waves coming in. The weather perfect for our golf today. Hot but nothing too crazy. And then we've got the beach bar. And then all suites overlooking the beach. In the distance you can see our golf course. We're going to play later, and there's the rooms right over the beach. We're at Eden Rock. This is a beachfront suite, overlooking this absolutely gorgeous beach. As pretty as anything. Nice lounge dining area and a small kitchen. Everything you'd need if you want to do a bit of dining up the room. And, bedroom looking out to the sea. Very stylish bar and huge shower area. And everything in this lovely tasteful colours and marble. Here we have the second bedroom, 2 beds. On the other side again, looking down to this amazing view. And with a ensuite for the second bedroom as well. Lovely for families.
And also the packages
And we understand there's some really good golf packages. First 2 rounds are golf free and 50% off the rest of the rounds, and there's golf and gastronomy packages. So we're going to be keen to get back and start telling you more about those and getting those on our website. Still at the junior suite, just come out onto the balcony. I didn't really show that off properly in the video I've done so far. But I mean, the views out here, stunning. It's a huge big balcony for the 2 bedrooms, and you've got the outside dining area as well. And then just across in front of us is the restaurants and main pool area, everything. And it's like a private beach down below. It's all bungalows along it, but they're all owned by the resort. These junior suites are to die for.